Yes, hello guys, welcome to this wonderful video of today. So in this video we are going to talk about how you can make your own smoker. This is bee smoker. This is the one that I just make using just local material to make my smoker. So if I just, this is how I can form this smoker. So this is just a smoker that I made using my local home material to make my bee smoker. So if you want to make your own smoker, then you can follow this step that I just make my own smoker and make your own smoker. So I'm just going to light this smoker so that let's see how it works. So I'm just going to put these things inside here and light up the smoker. And this is the cover. This is how I will cover the smoker, just like this. So that is how the smoker will look like. So I'm going to light this up. This one, this is tree egg. This one is from tree egg that I'm using. So that is how we can light our smoker. We just want it to catch a bit. You can see it has already catched. So the next thing, we just have to close it up. So this is our smoker. You see how it sprays smoke around. So that is how you can make your own smoker using home material. So that hive there, you can see there is a beehive there that we are going to be smoking. So with our smoker, so that is how you can make your own smoker at home. So I'm going to open it. You can see the smoke that is coming from it. You can add more. This is sawdust. You can just add it on the smoker so that it can last for long. So if you don't know how to make a smoker and you want to do bee farming, I just want you to subscribe to my video, share my video, so that I will teach you everything that you would like to know. So thank you for watching.